What is up? This is Sally's brand of Olaplex, and instead of buying each bottle individually, I just went and bought the whole thing. Can y'all see the price? It is $35, but because I have the Stylist Pro account, it was like $30. And then I got this separately. So it came out to a total of like $45 for 4 products. So I'm going to basically go through a whole wash day with this new system. I have a lot of split ends. I need a major trim. I'm not gonna say haircut because when I cut my hair off, I low-key did just cut my hair. But I am in need of a major trim. And I'm going to attempt to get my hair to a healthier state. You are supposed to technically start with this guy, the bonding shampoo, bonding conditioner. You finish off with the styling cream. I went kind of like a step ahead and I got the bonding primer. So, wait, did you see that? The bonding primer. So the first 2 steps are 10 minutes of this primer and then 10 minutes of the pre-bonding shampoo. So I'm going to do this and then do some stuff around the house and then come back after I have done the pre-bonding shampoo part. Oh, it's getting hard. Ugh. Bond Bar Primer. All right, y'all. And here looking like Frederick Douglass. But this is with the pre-bond shampoo, and I would definitely say that I noticed that my hair is a lot softer. It's very soft. And I'm going to, it's been on for like 30 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out and do the shampoo and conditioning part, and we will come back. And now we are doing the conditioner. I don't know if I can tell a difference so far. And I don't expect it to be fully repaired in one use. So, being that these small bottles are already almost empty, I'm just going to use them until completion, which will probably be the very next time that I shampoo my hair. So after following Bond Bar system, I finished with the conditioner, combed it through, and rinsed my hair. This was back in February, and I've since used the whole system again. I honestly don't have much to compare it to, but I noticed that my hair is definitely softer after taking out the knotless braids that I installed after doing this whole process. I think moving forward, I may actually switch to either using the whole Apogee system exclusively or just doing Olaplex. While Bond Bar was affordable, with one purchase, the bottles are actually small compared to Olaplex. With the Bond Bar bottles, you probably could get 2 to 3 uses depending on the density and texture of your hair. Whereas I feel like with the Olaplex bottles, they are a little bit more costly. I think those bottles can be $20 to $30 per bottle. They're bigger bottles, so I think you will get way more uses out of that compared to spending $30 to $40 every time. Really, it's actually $45 to $50 every time you get ready to shampoo your hair because the Bomb Bar bottles are so small. This second time around using the Bomb Bar system, I for sure can tell that my hair was much softer. Um, but now I would like to be able to compare it to something so I can see which one actually gives good quality results. My ultimate goal is to simply regain 100% healthy hair. I will eventually lock my hair again, but this time around, I want it to be locked with healthy hair and not with semi damaged hair that I did like 6 years ago. After using this whole system, I went in and gave myself a nice blowout and a trim, and I did put my hair, as I stated before, into protective styles. I had my braids in for about 7 weeks, and taking them down, I definitely did notice that my hair was a lot softer than before.
Good morning, y'all. So, I wanted to show y'all exactly what I mean when it comes to your hair. I just did like a whole protein bond repair treatment, like the knockoff Olaplex thing, and I told y'all that I'm starting with a chop. I didn't chop it all off. I have shampooed, done all the things, and blown out this side of my hair. And I was trying to figure out what style I wanted to start with. And based off of how my hair is, I think I'm gonna start with braids and go from there. So again, I have chopped some inches off of this side and I haven't done anything on this side. So now, not too much on me, not too much. You see how this side looks way healthier than this side? And again, I cut my locks in half and then combed them out. So this means that it was literally like all damage, all damage. Of course, it was 6 years worth of untrimmed shed hair, blah, 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 whatever. But I just want y'all to see, like, look at the movement in that side and look at the movement on this side. Those ends need to go. I am just randomly, not randomly, but just rough cutting everything because I just want to get them off. As it grows out, like I tell y'all, as it grows out, we're just going to keep chopping. So I don't know when I'm going to be able to braid my hair. Hopefully I can do it Thursday, and I'm going to put it up into something so that it can start the process of growing out the right way. And then even look at this. Like, I chopped enough to where I can run my fingers through. This side, I can, but it's pulling. This side, I don't get any tugging, any pulling. This side is literally, like, I have to be careful because it's low-key hurting and I can feel it snagging. So, again, I'm starting this journey because I've been telling y'all for the longest that a healthy routine, a consistent routine is the key to getting your hair to grow out. So now I can show y'all. So make sure you follow along, and that's it. I'm gonna go finish chopping the rest of my hair off. Bye.